In Excel, if you make any changes, it will instantly show up in the chart. Right-click on the item which you want to change, type the item name, and just hit enter. And it will automatically be updated in your chart. If you want to add items or change items in the chart itself, click inside your chart, right-click, select data, and here you will be able to change the items and the data inside the chart itself. In this case, we are selecting an additional legend entries and click OK. If you wish to change the chart type, just right-click and select Change Chart Type and navigate through the options to change your chart type. If you wish to change the font in your chart, right-click, select Font, and choose the options from the options available for you. Once done, click OK so that your changes get reflected in the chart itself. If you wish to fill the background of the chart with a color, right-click, the Fill option will appear, and from there, hover over the options, and once you've found the option which you wish, just click on it, and it will be added. You can always save the chart as a template, right-click, and select Save as Template. Locate the place where you want to save it, rename your chart accordingly, and click Save.